Yeah, my name's Alex. I'm from the startup POLARITY. We just opened our office in Waterloo. We also have one in SF. And yeah, I'm happy to go over our product, kind of where we're at, and let's get started with who we are and kind of our team. So this is the founding team of kind of POLARITY. There's me all the way over there on the left. You can see I need a haircut. And then we have our CTO, Shane, our COO, Jay, and then our head of GTM, Mihai. Shane is actually in the crowd with us right there. So what do we do and why should you care about us? Basically, we are like an AI research company that we focus heavily on context engineering as well as QA automation. And the reason why we focus specifically on those areas is because the more and more we see people, vibe coding with AI, right? You have like engineers, product designers. My own GTM team is coding with Claude Code right now. We see that the biggest bottleneck right now with a lot of companies is the QA kind of aspect, making sure that that code, when you actually push it to production, it's not going to break, your customer's not going to get mad, and you're going to have like 100% SLA, right? Because nowadays it's kind of like a standard. So 97% of engineers actually use AI on a day-to-day basis at their companies, and 77% of AI-generated code contains some sort of issues, and 70% of an engineer's time is spent not coding, but instead working on QA. And you don't have to take my word for it. The CEO of Cursor, co-founder of OpenAI, CEO of Replit, and I don't know who that is over there, but yeah, they basically say this is an issue. So you're obviously sitting here like, okay, how do you solve this great issue? And basically through some of our research in context engineering as well as like QA workflow and automation, we built Paragon, which is basically like an autonomous QA engineer. So in the simplest terms, you just turn it on and you just hired yourself a QA team. You're done, right? So what it does is it essentially like you connect it to all your infrastructure, all your monitoring, your whole code base, repos and everything. And it essentially will set up all your end-to-end tests, all your unit tests, all your integration tests. It will monitor your whole infrastructure. Whenever there's a problem, it's going to go in and fix it. It's going to tell you when there's issues. It can alert you to issues. And we're seeing some crazy stats so far. We got like 40,000 bugs already caught like in production. 10,000 pull requests have already been reviewed by us. And companies that are using us have seen 6 times faster feature shipping just due to the time they're saving in QA automation. Traction so far, we've got about like 100 teams using us. We're at 18.7% week-over-week growth. That leads us to about like 1,000 developers on the platform. Some notable teams are like Cal.com, Clover Labs here out of Canada, Commenda, Eden, Cap.so. We also have some bigger enterprise clients who I can't name. But yeah, we also have a little bit of an advisory panel from some of the people at A4 Capital, CTO of Olama, and then the CEO of InTouch CX, which is a 2,500 person tech company also out of Canada. And yeah, that's basically us. My kind of ask is, you guys want to talk to me? Come and talk to me. We also just launched a fellowship program. We have 250 applicants. So if you guys want to be a fellow for us, please apply or come talk to me. And lastly, we're hosting a party tonight for a symposium. So if anybody comes out, come talk to me. Thank you guys, thank you.